Welcome guys again to my tutorial, and after file tab today we'll start with the very basic and the primitive tab of MS Word. Without this tab probably a lot of work will be impossible to do in MS Word because this home tab is generally called as the mother of all tab in MS Word, because without home tab you cannot do the basic things which are possible or to be done in MS Word. As you can see that I have already created one document for you to save time. Now let's start with Home tab. In Home tab, see there is clipboard, font, paragraph, style, and editing. So these are the groups that we have in Home tab. So let's start with clipboard. The very first option is related to paste. So before we need to do something with paste, first we need to copy something. So this red highlighted portion I would copy. So that we can go over here and click the copy and it will be copied, or from keyboard you can press Ctrl plus C, whichever is handy for you, you can do it. Now I'll go to the paste option, and in the paste option here is the option called keep the source formatting. Now keep the source formatting means, see this portion was the source. When I will paste over here, it will give this source formatting, means it will remain according to the source. Like this one was the source with same color, same font size, it will remain the same when I'll paste. There's another option, merge the formatting, or it will merge with the current format that I have in the paste option. This one is the merge with the current formatting. In my page currently whatever format is being continued, it will continue as like. And last one is keep the text only. In keep the text only, if I click, it will give me only the text. It will not give me any colors. It will not give me any kind of formatting. So I'd rather suggest go to paste default. Set the default paste. So I'll go and I'll keep the text only. Now, very important thing without which we cannot do the basic things. This is font option. This portion is called as font face. Font, F-O-N-T, font means the writing style, and face means what kind of category or what kind of styles that you are giving. It has a name. Like you have your own style. To identify your style, some face is given to you, some name is given to you. So that is called font face. So let me select this portion of the text and then I'll go to font face. And here I'll find a lot of options by which I can make my document looks brilliant. See, I have selected this one. I can select this one. I can go with this. I can go with that. There are too many things that I can do with my text by font face. I'm sure you're aware of this chiller. If you are a fan of horror movies or you like to go through those kind of thrillers, you'll find a lot of time those titles or the tracks are like designed this way. I'm choosing this one for me currently. So this is my font face. And you can see their name, it's Castellar. Then this is called font size. You can increase the font size. Now my font size is 11. If I want, I can increase till 72, 36, 28, anything. I'm going with currently 20. So this is my writing size. Now this one is called bold. Bold means anything that you want to make it bold, to make more highlighted. So I want to make this portion bold. So what I'll do, I'll go over here and I'll click bold. I'm happy. If I'm not happy, again I'll go. During the text should be selected. Without selection, no changes will be possible. So first I need to select the portion that I want to make changes. Here I want to change this portion. That is why I have selected the portion. I have gone to bold and I have clicked on the bold. If the bold is not fine for me, I'll again click on bold and it will be removed. The shortcut of bold in the keyboard is Ctrl plus B. So if you press Ctrl and B together, it will become bold. Now the next portion of the text can be done as italic. Italic means little bit of tilted. Means if you're writing something and you want that to be tilted, a lot of time probably you have noticed in quotation, in case of some kind of theory, in case something which is a little bit informative, that time we use this sort of italic. The shortcut of italic is Ctrl plus I. If we want from keyboard, then we can press Ctrl plus I, or else we can directly go over here and click I. The moment I'll do, see my text will be a little bit tilted. And the next one is underline. If you want to underline something, you need to click on underline and things will be underlined. But always remember, whenever you need to do some changes to your text, first you need to select that portion and then only changes will be visible and possible. So I'll go over here and click on the underline. See the entire text of my writing, it comes under underline. So there's one drop down arrow is also there. So if you click on that arrow, you will find this options of underlines are changed. There artistic underlines are there. You can change the underline colors also. I'm giving a little bit bluish underline and I'm giving this one as underline. See, so you can change according to your wish. Underline. Now, the next one is called strike through. Strike through. So what is the use of strike through? Let me show you one example. Impossible. So let me increase the text again. I'm sure you know how to do. Here is the font. From there I can increase the size. So impossible. I can make it bold. So now I want this impossible to be removed. So what I can do is I will select and I'll click on the strike through. The moment I'll click on the strike through, you see I am is gone and possible is there. So I am possible becomes from impossible to possible. So this kind of artistic things you can do. 25% was initial, now it becomes 50%. You have seen a lot of time this kind of advertisements in boarding, banners, then a lot of handouts and your newspapers also. This kind of things you can do with strike through.